If you're looking for a game-changing AI tool that could skyrocket your productivity, Parafact AI might just be what you need. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 critical things you need to know about Parafact AI and why it's one of the best AI software releases of the year. Before we dive in, you can try Parafact AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. I'll be covering the key features, the pros and cons, and everything you need to know to decide if it's right for you, so stick around. First off, Parafact AI is designed for one thing: streamlining your workflow by providing intelligent insights and automating repetitive tasks. Whether you're in content creation, marketing, or even research, Parafact can help you save hours of work. Its unique ability to analyze data, generate content ideas, and optimize your marketing strategies makes it stand out. One of the most impressive things about Parafact AI is how it excels in natural language processing. It can understand complex questions, pull in relevant information, and provide detailed answers, making it an invaluable tool for businesses looking to scale. You can ask it anything from market trends to specific data analysis, and it pulls back relevant insights instantly. This makes Parafact AI a true asset for digital marketers and business owners alike. What's even better is how user-friendly it is. Unlike many AI tools that require a steep learning curve, Parafact AI is intuitive. The interface is simple, with all the tools you need readily available. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using it effectively. So if you're new to AI, this could be a great place to start. Another game changer is Parafact AI's ability to automate content creation. From blog posts to social media captions, this software can write, edit, and suggest improvements to your copy, saving you time and effort. This means you can generate high-quality content consistently without having to spend hours writing it all yourself, perfect for entrepreneurs and marketers who are looking to scale content production quickly. In terms of analytics, Parafact AI doesn't just spit out numbers, it gives you actionable insights. You can track the performance of your content, get real-time suggestions on how to improve it, and adjust your strategy accordingly. This makes Parafact AI not only a content creation tool, but a strategic ally in driving growth. While there's a lot to love, it's important to mention that Parafact AI, like all AI tools, does require some input to get the most out of it. You'll need to know how to ask the right questions and guide it to produce the best possible results. But once you get the hang of it, it's a powerful tool in your digital toolkit. Lastly, Parafact AI is constantly improving. The team behind it is committed to updating and refining the software regularly, adding new features and expanding its capabilities. This is crucial in a fast-moving industry like AI, where staying ahead of the curve is key. So, after trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that Parafact AI is one of the most promising tools out there. It can help you automate, optimize, and scale your digital marketing efforts, all while being easy to use. You can try it out completely free with the link in the description below. To recap, Parafact AI is an incredibly versatile tool that can boost productivity, save time, and give you valuable insights into your business. Whether you're creating content or optimizing your marketing strategies, it's a must-try. And if you want to explore more AI software, I've linked my top recommended tools in the description. Check them out and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.